Hi, my name is Rahul Singh, and welcome to another demonstration by Nimbus Net. So today we're going to be demoing the code pipeline using the same secure website from the last demo. So without further ado, let's get into it. Um, so first, let me show you the website. As you can see, it's the same website we used from last time. In the demonstration, I'll be changing this header right here. Dreams don't work unless you do. So we can do that right now. Oh, and then we can wait for it. But let's go ahead and open up the code. So I'm just gonna change this to test update and save it. And then let's go ahead and commit that change. So as you can see, index.html was edited. Add that. And let's commit that. Okay. So now that we've pushed those changes, let me walk you through all of the services that were used. As you can see, it's in progress already in the code pipeline since I just pushed that change. Um, so first, let's walk through the services that was used previously. We're still using Amazon S3 to host our code, but now every time there's a change to the GitHub, those changes will be reflected in the files here, and I'll show that in a second. Route 53 is still in use for the same purpose of the name servers. Namecheap is still what we use for the domain. The CloudFront distribution is still used, but there's a change now because in my code pipeline, I added a fourth step, which invalidates the cache of the CloudFront distribution so that the changes in the website will be reflected quicker. And I did this using AWS Lambda. So this is the code that allows the CloudFront cache to be invalidated every time there's a push to the GitHub. And to do this, I had to give permission to the AWS Lambda, so it had to be able to access CloudFront and it had to be able to access the code pipeline. As for connecting to GitHub, we did this via the GitHub app, and this was you could have done it using a OAuth authentication instead, but I opted to use the GitHub application itself. And and as you can see, this is the GitHub itself. So you'll see the test update that we just pushed 2 minutes ago. And let's check if it's done yet. The code pipeline is it's still in progress. So we'll just wait for this to finish and then I'll show you the website has the changes. Um, so if we look at the CloudFront distribution, oh, it just completed the last invalidation of the cache. So it should be complete here. Yeah. Okay, so the cache has been invalidated and the code pipeline is completely done. So let's go back to our website. And if we refresh the page now, as you can see, the changes have been reflected and it now says test update instead of dreams don't work unless you do. So, those are the services I used and that's how you update the website. Thank you.